Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Now in this video we will do question number 2 of exercise 5.2 and our topic is square root of a number by prime factorization. Okay, first of all we recall our previous lecture. X is a number and square of x is x square. In this way we find the square of a number. X is a number and its square is x square, and the square root of x square is x. Clear? So this is a process to find the square. X multiplied by x, we have x square, and when we take square root of x square we have a number x. Square root of x square is x and square of x is x square. Okay, now we will do question number 2 of exercise 5.2. Now question number 2 is find the square roots of the following numbers by prime factorizations. So how we can find? Look at this part. 144 is a number. First of all, we make its prime factorization like this. 144. 4 is an even number, so we divide it by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. Again by 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 sixes are 12. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 nines are 18. Now 9 is not an even number, so it cannot be divided by 2. The next prime number is 3. We can divide 9 by 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So these product is equal to 144. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 threes are 48 and 48 threes are 144. So we can write it as 144 is the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 and 3 times 2 times 3. Clear? This is the first step. Now the second step is taking square root on both sides. Square root of 144 is equal to square root of its prime factors. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The next step is makes its pair. Write them in pairs. 2 and 2 one pair, 2 and 2 second pair, 3 and 3 third pair. Okay, now we can write it as 2 into 2 mean 2 square, 2 into 2 mean 2 square, 3 into 3 mean 3 square. Now by using the property of radical we can separate this product. प्रोडक्ट को हम सेपरेटली लिख सकते हैं ना, जैसे प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंगली. 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर. प्रोडक्ट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर. बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट, स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल. वी हैव 2 and 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. अब हम इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Hence square root of 144 is equal to 12. तो क्या मेथड है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं, फिर प्राइम फैक्टर्स को एज अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. फिर राइट दैम इन पेयर्स. पेयर्स में हमने उनको लिख दिया. फिर वो पेयर्स एक्सप्रेस होंगे एज अ स्क्वायर. 2 स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर एंड 3 स्क्वायर. फिर बाय यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टी हमने उसको सेपरेट कर दिया. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर. ठीक है, स्क्वायर रूट तीनों फैक्टर्स पर सेपरेट हो गया. ओके, Square root square cancel, we have 2, square root cancel 2, square root cancel 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So hence square root of 144 is a 12. Ab 12 square is 144 and square root of 144 is 12. Okay, next part. Next part is 576. Again, first of all we write the prime factorization of 576. This is an even number, so first we divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 8s are 16. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Now we divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 3 9 sorry 2 9s are 18. 3 से अब करेंगे because 9 is not an even number. 3 3s are 9 and 3. So it means 576 is equal to 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 5 6 and double 3. Okay. The second step is taking square root on both sides. Square root of 576, square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2 into 3 into 3. The third step is write them in pair. Okay. Next step is write the pair values as a square. 2 square. 2 into 2 mean 2 square. 2 into 2 mean 2 square. 3 into 3 mean 3 square. Now by using the property we can separate all the factors. Square root of 2 square into square root of 2 square into square root of 2 square into square root of 3 square. By definition, square root cancel, we have 2. 2. Square root cancel, we have 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Hence, square root of 576 is equal to 24. Okay. The next part is number. Here number is 441. Now 441 is not a even number. So look at the prime factorization of this number 441. It cannot be divided by 2. Next prime number is 3. अब देखना है कि ये 3 पे डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. फॉर दिस ऐड करें, नंबर को सम करें. 4 4 8 8 plus 1 9 9. Yes, 9 is the multiple of 3, so this number can be divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. Now look at again. Taking the sum of this number, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 is the multiple of 3, so again it can be divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, 2 27, 3 9s are 27. 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 is not the multiple of 3, so it cannot be divided by 3. 3 के बाद नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज़ 5. फॉर 5 के लिए क्या होना चाहिए इन यूनिट प्लेस 0 और 5. ना यहाँ पे 0 है ना 5, सो दिस नंबर कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड बाय 5. नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 7. येस, इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So 441 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now taking the square root on both sides, 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Write them as a pair, 3 3 7 7. So we can write these factors as 3 square 7 square by using the property of radical sign. इसको हम सेपरेट कर देंगे. अब by definition square root square से cancel, we have 3 7, 3 7s are 21, hence square root of 441 is 21. Is it clear, boys? Any problem? If no, then move to next part. Now number is 196. 196 is an even number, so we हम इसके prime factor start करेंगे 2 से. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. 7 7s are 49. So 196 is the product of 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Taking square root on both sides. Square root of 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. This is the second step. Third step is write them as pair. Okay. Now we can write it as 2 into 2 mean 2 square. 7 into 7 means 7 square. By using the property of radical sign, we can write them separately. Okay. Square root of 2 square into square root of 7 square. Now square root squares cancel, we have 2. Square root cancel, 7. 2 7s are 14. Hence square root of 196 is 14. Next part is number is 10,000. अब 10,000 के हम prime factors बनाते हैं. 10,000 big number. 2 5s are 10. 3 0 as it is. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 2 0 as it is. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now this number is not an even. तो अब देखते हैं कि 3 से डिवाइड होगा यानी 6 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 is not the multiple of 3, so 3 से नहीं होगा, 5 से हो जाएगा because in unit place their digit is 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again we can divide it by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25 and 1. Okay, so 10,000 is the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 and 5. 4 times 5. Okay, taking square root on both sides, square root of 10,000 is equal to the square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now write them in a pair. One pair, second pair, third pair, and this is the fourth pair. Now we can express them as 2 square, 2 square, 5 square. 5 into 5 means 5 square. By using radical property, we can write them separately in a radical sign. All the factors. Square root cancel, we have 2. Square root cancel, we have 2. Square root cancel 5. Square root cancel 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20 and 25s are 100. So hence square root of 10,000 is equal to 100. Next number is 4,356. Now we divide prime factors करेंगे, इसके भी बनाएंगे. It is an even number. 2 पे divide हो जाएगा. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now this one is less than 2, सो इसकी प्लेस पर आ जाएगा 0 और ये 1 और 7 मिलके 17, तो 2 8s are 16, 1 2 9s are 18। क्लियर हो क्या बॉयज? दोबारा इसकी डिवीजन देखें, 2 1s are 2। अब 1 जो है इज लेस देन 2, सो इसकी प्लेस पर आएगा 0 और ये 1 इस 7 के साथ मिलकर बन गया 17। 2 8s are 16, 1 इधर, 2 9s are 18। अब ये नंबर है 9 + 8 इज़ 17 और 1 18, 3 का मल्टीपल 3 पे डिवाइड हो जाएगा। 3 3s are 9, 1 3 6s are 18 and 3 3s are 9। Again it can be divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3। अब 121 ये ना 3 पे डिवाइड हो सकता है बिकॉज 2 + 1 + 1 इज़ 4, ये 4 बन रहा है, ये 3 का मल्टीपल नहीं है। 5 पे भी डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, 7 पे भी नहीं हो सकता। 7 के बाद नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज़ 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11। So 4356 can be written as 2 × 2, 3 × 3 and 11 × 11, taking square root on both sides because we have to find the square root of this number। ठीक है। Third step is write them as pair। Okay, now the fourth step is write the factors as a square। 2 square, 3 square, 11 square। By using the property of radical sign, write them separately, all the factors in a radical sign। Okay, square root cancel, we have 2, square root cancel, we have 3, square root cancel, we have 11, 2 3s are 6, 6 11s are 66। तो hence factor of 4356 is equal to 66। बॉयज़ मैंने आपको करवाया यहाँ पर ऑड नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स, अब इवन नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स आप खुद करेंगे और